Hello everyone, this is Veer and I'm gonna show you how to make and secure your chest by using a Tesla. 100% confirmed guarantee kill for your opponent and secure your chest with no mods. Alright, now everyone, this is a simple redstone and command contraption which has very less things to use. So first we will start with some sticky pistons. Now we go on to redstone. Next we go on to trapped chest. Okay, now everyone, please remember to get only trapped chests, otherwise it won't work. Next thing. That's it. Now it's the difficult part. If you want to avoid glitching, type this. Alright everyone, now after that type this. Now you will have to use a command block and always write @s, otherwise it won't work. Now everyone starts the contraption. Dig it at least 4 or 5 blocks deep. Alright. Here's the contraption. Alright. Summon lightning. Alright everyone. Do it on the other and always make it a repeat. Otherwise it won't work. Lightning. Scoreboard. Alright everyone. Now is the most important part. If your opponent knows you have a trap, then there's no point in it. So what you must do. Now comes the chopping, which is the most important part. Alright. Exchange everything that you want to. Now I think maybe you'll find some more here. Alright, emerald, diamond, gold. Alright. Chest is ready. Can you hear the fire? No problem. See? Alright. Trapped chest. Okay. Is my favorite part. Now that I don't need these anymore. Alright, this is Veer. Over and out. Hope you had a shocking discovery.